What's up, everybody? So I'm Jay from Jeb Auto Repair.
And I'm Mark with Jeb Auto.
Yep. Today we got his '03 Chevy Suburban.
Big old Bertha.
Been months since we had to do anything to it. And this week, well, he's had a blowout in 1 week.
That was
and
on Monday.
Slow starting on a prayer all week. And finally last night, it let loose in my driveway. So we got lucky.
She won't start again.
So today, we figured we'd bring you guys along and do a starter. So today we got our starter brand new. We have our starter bolt. They gave us one for some reason. Our flashlight, our ratchet, our 13 mil with an extension, our 1/4 inch drive with a 13 and a 14, and our impact. And let's get started, guys. So we'll get down. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. Is it the training lines that are in the way? Must be. All right.
Training lines?
Yep, I think so. Yeah, I think that's what it must be.
She's being a bitch. Ow!
Okay. All right, so we got our bolt, our starter wires. Okay. Oh my God.
A bitch. There we go.
Yep. Like butter.
It's like butter, baby.
There we go. Let's see, we got that in there. Bolts. Nope. There. I don't think that's completely in. There we go. Let's see. Oh, we start them by hand, so this way they don't cross thread them. Oh, that wasn't in. Oh, I hate doing things on the ground.
Yeah, lift will make it much easier.
Yep.
The life of mobile mechanics.
There. Let's see. Here we go. Cool. Beautiful.
There we go.
Now we have to tighten up. Yeah. We gotta tighten up our transmission line here. Where did that go? Okay. So that's over here. Yep. Oh, God, stuff getting in my eye. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I didn't loosen it all the way, just to move it so it would stress on it. What a crap spot.
Yeah, this is a pain in the ass spot.
Yep. All right, so now we're tight. And I need this, and then we can go out and we can reconnect the wires. Alright, so we can end it there. Alright guys, so we got the starter in, got the wires all connected, got our battery cable back on again. It started pouring on us while we were under there. But we got it, so let's see if we get any good.
Woo! Big Bertha. Yeah, she's alive. Absolutely.
Nice and strong. Well guys, if you like some of this content, hopefully we'll get some more out. Hit like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Thanks.